Good morning students. Next we are going to discuss about properties of ionic compound. Already we have discussed about ionic compound. What is ionic compound? A compound formed by the transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal is called as an ionic compound. Then what are the properties of ionic compound? First, how will it be classified? It classified as four types of properties. One is physical nature and melting point, boiling point, then solubility and electrical conductivity. What's the first point? Physical nature, melting and boiling points, solubility and then electrical conductivity. Okay, how it be nature of physical? Okay, physical nature. The ionic compounds are solid in nature. What's the nature of ionic compounds? Solid. So ionic compounds are solid in nature. Their hardness, okay, metals are hardness. Their hardness is due to the presence of electrostatic forces. That means their hardness is due to the presence of electrostatic forces. It's based on electrostatic forces. Okay, then melting point and boiling points of ionic compounds. The ionic compounds exhibit high melting point and boiling point. It may be differ from the metals and compounds. For example, lithium chloride. It's an ionic compound. The melting point of lithium chloride is 887. Then boiling point of lithium chloride is 1600. In the same way, there are a lot of ionic compounds. What's that? Sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium chloride. Then it may be differ as a melting point and boiling point. The nature of melting point and boiling point is what? The ionic compound exhibit high melting point and boiling point. Both melting point and boiling point has a high activity. Then solubility. The ionic compounds are highly soluble in polar solvent. In that polar solvent such as water and insoluble in non-polar solvent. Okay. Solubility. The ionic compounds are highly soluble in polar solvent. Okay. Solubility in polar solvents and such as water. Okay. Then what about insoluble things? Insoluble in non-polar solvent. What are the non-polars? Benzene, chloroform are some other examples of non-polar solvent. Then finally electrical conductivity. Okay, finally electrical conductivity. Ionic compounds conduct electricity in aqueous solution, and in molten state. Okay, finally electrical conductivity of ionic compound. Ionic compound conduct electricity in aqueous solution and in a molten state. Okay, these are the properties of ionic compound. What's the properties? Physical nature and melting point and boiling point, solubility and finally electrical conductivity. Thank you.